Welcome to this course. My name is Kazim Ali and I am instructor of this course. The course name is Natural Language Processing with Python. Now let's see what is natural language processing. What natural language is? In simple terms, it is a means for us to express our thoughts and ideas. To define it more specifically, language is a mutually agreed one set of protocols in which involve words and sounds that we use to communicate with each other. In this era of digitization and computation, we are, constant, we are constantly interacting with machines around us through various means such as voice commands and typing instructions in the form of words. Thus, it has become essential to develop mechanisms by which human language can be comprehended accurately by computers or machines. NLP helps us do this. So NLP can be defined as a field of computer science that is concerned with enabling computer algorithms to understand, analyze, and generate natural languages. Let's look at an example. You have probably interacted with Siri or Alexa application at some point in your life when you use smartphones, etc. Then you ask Alexa for a cricket score and it will reply with the current score. The technology behind this is NLP. Siri and Alexa use techniques such as speech to text with the help of a speech engine, a search engine to do this magic. As the name suggests, speech to text is an application of NLP in which computers are trained to understand verbally spoken words. NLP works at different levels, which means that machine process and understand natural language at different levels. These levels are as follows. The first level, morphological level. This level deals with understanding word structure and word information. Second, lexical level. This level deals with understanding the part of speech of the word. Syntactic level. This level deals with understanding the syntactic analysis of a sentence or parsing a sentence. Semantic level. This level all about the actual meaning of a sentence. Discourse level. In this level, natural language processing focus on the focus on the context of a sentence or a paragraph. Pragmatic level. This level deals with using real world knowledge to understand the sentence. This is a little introduction of natural language processing. So, in the coming lectures, we see we see a specific topic of a natural language processing and then we program it